paper-based management of medication trays is time-consuming and error-prone. Now more than ever, your time-strapped pharmacy team needs a solution focused on efficiency and patient safety. Wolters Kluwer's Simplifi MedTrays helps modernize your medication tray management and restocking processes by improving consistency, accuracy, traceability, and oversight. Here's how. Your team's consistent approach to restocking and monitoring ensures standardization of medication tray management to save your team time, avoid patient harm, and ensure compliance with regulators and accrediting bodies. Simplifi MedTrays streamlines the setup of requirements for your hospital's drug carts, trays, and kits. The solution displays every tray in your facility in a central view and provides details on the location, drug lots, and expiration dates, and helps establish consistent documentation and workflows for approvals. For accuracy, barcode management ensures trays are restocked with the right drugs, in the right pocket, in the right doses every time, without the need for costly RFID hardware and tags. You can easily scan each drug, so key details about lots and expiration dates auto-populate into the system, removing the risk of human error in documentation. The green check mark and the barcode symbols indicate you've successfully stocked and matched the drugs to what's required in each pocket, which also serves as a safety check. When it comes to traceability, you need to know where inventory is and when to take action rather than chasing expired drugs all over the facility. Simplifi MedTrays brings all that data to you in a central dashboard so your team knows where to act fast and early. Finally, oversight. The pharmacy team must know they've identified and replaced every at-risk drug. Simplifi MedTrays proactively alerts your team about expiring drugs both in the application workflow or by having an email alert sent when you are not logged into the application. These alerts can help your team find expired or redistribute short-dated drugs before they expire to avoid waste. And if a drug is recalled, it's quick and easy to search every drug on every tray in your facilities with the click of a button on a desktop or mobile device to save you time. And because MedTrays become your digital binder, you have a new level of oversight of carts and drug management, including a view of deployed inventory. You can easily drill in and see the location of every tray or kit in the hospital and details on every drug, including short-dated and expired drugs, without having to flip through stacks of paper to save you time. Wolters Kluwer Simplifi MedTrays is an easy way to manage every drug on every cart every time, with less effort by the pharmacy team for improved patient safety and compliance confidence. Learn more about Simplifi MedTrays and Wolters Kluwer's suite of Simplifi pharmacy compliance solutions by talking to one of our pharmacy compliance experts or visiting our website.